Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My degree has been finished, okay? So now I've been looking for a job, and I want to do some side projects that I couldn't do while I was in university, partially because of time and partially because I was just plain as lazy. First of all, I want to create my own personal website. I don't know what I'm going to use, okay? How I'm going to design my website, what's going to be on the back end. So before I go on and create a design for my website, I should first define what my website should include, like what are the things that should be included on in my website. This is what I'm planning to build. It's just 1 point or maybe 0.1 version of my website. This is just a rough layout. I just include these 4 pages. Like here's going to be my photo. I'm going to post my photo over here, and then we go to projects. So we show you the list of the projects that I built. And we click on a project. It will take us to a page which will show details about the project and maybe some links, etc. And other than that, we have the contact, and here you can contact with me. I was actually researching like what should I learn. Actually, like what should I use? I know Angular somewhat, not like I don't have fully grasped the concepts of it. I've just used it, but I have never used React. So I thought, why not use React for this project? So here we are at the React website, and now I'm going through the tutorial. I hope by the end of this tutorial, I'm able to work on my own project. Yesterday I was learning React, and I just learned some aspects of it, not everything about it, but I think it's enough that I can start working. Okay, I'm such a stupid, okay? I was just trying to get this background image with CSS using this component, but I tried so hard, like why isn't it working? But then I found out that I did not imported CSS in this file. So I just completed this thing. This is just the basic, okay? I just want to learn how React works. It was just a rough project, a rough layout. Here it is. This is my picture. It's me. And here we go to the projects. It shows the projects, okay? Then we go to the contact page. It shows the contact. And if we go to individual project, it will show us this. So this blue box will hold a picture of the project, and these are description of it. I think I'm going to work on it tomorrow. First I have to learn some designing. I cannot go with this. This is just it's a sham, okay? First I'm going to design the front end, like in Figma. I will just make sure everything is on point, and then I'm going to convert all of this into React. So for now I think this is enough. So the last time I uploaded my code on GitHub, or I coded, was on 12th June. So July, and it's now August, and 7th August. I made my first commit after 2 months. Oh my goodness. I wasn't working. I forgot most of the things that I've learned. So now we're gonna learn and you know yeah we are going to learn and implement some projects and work on some projects. You all might be thinking why I'm building this portfolio or this website. It's because I have just recently graduated university and I want to have a website where I can upload my own projects and showcase what I'm working on, what are my skills, that I can show off to potential employers. So currently I don't have one. For the last 2 days, I was learning web design. Actually, it was just a free course from YouTube, but I learned so much about web design that now I'm going to improve my current design. Now I have a clear thought like what I'm going to use or how I'm going to create or how I'm going to design my website.
I'm here, diamonds on my neck, on my wrist, real clear, real clear. Reappear, new hat trick, make it open, here, where she at, open, get in there, bitch keep neck, but I swear I don't care, yeah, who there, too much pain, I done ran out of tears, yeah, hot shot, Louis 13, smoke, drop top, yeah, take a look at my watch, take a safe pop, but I swear
or JavaScript files, and that.
The problem is creating a new CSS file for every component is that if let's suppose we have 50 components, then we have like 200 not 200 100 files to manage them, like that's kind of tough. So I want where I can store all of my CSS in a single file, but also define their hierarchy, like actually I don't know.
pulled up for the niggas I bitch, yeah, my mom rich, I done lost count all these hoes I hit, yeah, my bitch.
Okay, so I have completed my website. So this is the prototype that I created in Figma. You can see it's working. Here's the original website. I have to change this photo, not now, but I don't know when. And then we have the sections. These links point to my channel, which you should subscribe. And here's the project section. It's not working. Go to the contact, which also doesn't work. I've already uploaded my code to GitHub. Now we are going to buy. Now I just have to host it. So what we did was we started with an idea of what I want to build. That was a portfolio website. Then I tried to design the whole layout myself, and after that I took a course on YouTube. It was a short course, I think, of 20 episodes, but I did it in 2 to 3 days, and then I designed my new website, which is a lot better than the first version. So I think that's it. I don't know how to sign off, but okay, just subscribe. Okay, I forgot to say, but it's now working. Sawaid.com. It's working right now. So yeah, look at this website. It's working kinda. It's working, just working. Okay, contacts, and here's the context. So yeah,